ang opisyal na rarampa po ay 11 candidates lang.
11.
Sila ang rarampa at maglalaban-laban ngayong gabi. At sino kaya ang maswerteng mananalo ng...
Na mag-uwi ng 20K.
At hindi lang 20 kasi syempre may crown yun.
Yes, may crown, may bouquet, may sash.
Una po, nagpapasalamat po si Mayor Emmy Calixto-Rubiano sa inyong pong paandaya at humihingi po ng paumanhin si Mayor Emmy Calixto-Rubiano dahil
Nakalik po lahat.
This bagay. Alright! Di ba nagtatari sa afternoon na siyang taloplas? Okay, good evening guys! My name is Dennis Roar. Hello!
Robert, really? Mariyak lang.
Opo nga bro, tong-tong po, diretso lang. Tong-tong po, wait lang.
Sa nilayo-layo ho ng aking pinanggalingan, wala hubang palakpakan dyan. Traveling for almost 4 hours, all the way from the colorful, wonderful Paro-Paro Festival of the Philippines, Dasmariñas Province of Cavite. I've always believed that wearing a national costume is know how big, how glamorous, how extravagant the costume is how it gives life, justice, and domestic with the costumes that you're wearing for tonight. Because I've always believed that simplicity is beauty, and being simple is truly remarkable. Ako man ho, ang naunang kandidata ngayong gabi, ngunit naniniwala ko ako na hindi importante kung nasa dulo o unahan ka. Ang pinakamahalaga ay kung paano ka magmamarka sa hurado at madla. My name is Miss Julia Garcia Masungsong. I am a 23 years of age tenor, hailing all the way from Paro-Paro Festival of the Philippines. Bitbiti ko ho ang dignidad ng Dasmariñas, probinsya ng Cavite. I would like to share some of my triumphs that yes, I am your Reyna ng Turismo Cavite 2024 and I am your Miss Trans Global Philippines 2025. At since sila ho ay may gagayahing wangis ng kanilang mga artista, kaya pong gayahin ko po ang babaeng kalalabas lang po sa bahay ni Kuya. The new It's Showtime host ang nagsabing ang gusto niya sa isang lalaki ay PBH. Bakit hindi mo natin sabay-sabay palakpakan, people of Pasay, Bibining Shubi Estrada. Thank you so much, Miss Shubi Estrada po, na nagsasabi to those panel board of judges na way iputok po namin ang corona sa karapat-dapat at nararapat. And to all the candidates backstage, let the beauty reign. begins. Thank you so much.
Ayan! Maraming salamat! Contestant number 2. Okay, score!
Yari paboso walis tambo, ang aking kasuotan na bahay, kubo. My costume represents Filipino craftsmanship, sustainability, and preservation of cultural heritage. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my pride costume because I take pride with our very own history and culture. A miraculous evening to everybody. My name is Jaja Martinez. A fresh, indeed innocent, 21-year-old stunner, and I am all the way last from the historical places of Man, Daluyan City. I am currently finishing my degree in Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics, a consistent Dean's Lister. For tonight, let me stand by the name. I am your Miss International 2018 first runner-up and your newly crowned Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Yes, I am Miss Maria Tiza Manalo, na nagsasabi, ang lalaking hindi marunong tumingin sa pinanggalingan, tiyak, natulala sa aking kagandahan. Once again, good evening, enjoy the show, and I love you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Ito ang iyong score. First time ko po dito sa lugar kung saan sentro ang lahat, Pasay City, dahil naniniwala po kami na ang tunay na diwata bumaba sa Maynila. Traveling almost 6 hours considering the traffic at Cabanatuan City, province of Nueva Ecija, where I presently reside. But originally, I'm a beautiful girl. Beautiful talaga, lady. Oh, truly all the way and originally from the Waray-Waray community of Leyte and Samar. My name is Matro Damay Matmat Centino at naniniwala sa gabi nito, lahat ng nasa seaside, magaling tumanggap ng bisita. Kaya pahingin ang palakpakan! Hiyaman! Masaya lang tayo ngayong gabi, kaya't ako po ang babaeng patuloy na umakyat sa entabladong ito kahit hindi nyo nahulaan ang edad ko. Ako po ang babaeng saktong-sakto 50 anyos at patuloy na aakyat sa entablado dahil nais kong ipabatid sa lahat ng mga nakakabatang LGBTQIA+ na tama na ang bangayan, pa-number 1-an, dahil the very essence of beauty pageant is sisterhood, sportsmanship, respect, and above all, camaraderie. Yan ang nakakalimutan ng mga bagong kontisera. Let's just enjoy the night. I'm here to give you happiness, and whatever happens, let us always respect the honorable panel of judges. I'm standing by the name of your one and only ang babaeng nagtatanong, meron ba kayong lemon? Gusto ko lang! Ako'y tahimik lang sa umpisa. I'm Mami Tony or Oni Fowler na lagi nagpapaalala ang tunay na reyna. Hindi nagbibilang kung 1, 2, 3, ilang libong beses nang naputungan ng corona. Ang kapakumbabaan ng loob, ang pinakamahalagang bagay magsisilbi mong ligasiya, itaas o ibaba man ng entablado. Let's just enjoy the night. God bless us all, and
Thank you!
And I!
Thank you!
It's a beautiful attitude to be grateful and to be thankful. But God bless, and I love you all.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. Ito ang iyong score.
Panggali.
Sa nilayo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang higawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. In this world that everyone wants to be Maria Osawa, allow me to be your Maria Clara. For I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 22 years old listener, and I am very proud and humble because I am your It's Showtime Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multibags, first runner-up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am all the way where the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alonte. Opo, tama po kayong lahat. Ako po ang nag-iisang kawangis, walang bahid bungis. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay subukang palakpakan at iyawan si Binibini Loisa Andario? And I always believe, si bis amare amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, ako po ang kandidata bilang 5. Ako po ay pusong Tondo, pero tubong Pasay City. Magandang gabi po. Thank you so much, candidate number 5. Candidate number 5, this is your score. masusunugan ng bahay at lalong wala rin pong maaagawan ng jowa. Dahil ang hinihiling ko lamang po ay isang masigabong palakpakan. Maraming salamat po. You know what, ladies and gentlemen? I always believe that the physical attributes of a person is time will change, but the goodness of the heart will last for a lifetime. That's why one should be careful with your thoughts, because your thoughts may become your words. Your words may become your actions, and your actions may become your personality that will mold and define one's destiny. Call me Yunil Torino Cebuche, a 25-year-old stunner, all the way from the Tiger City of the Philippines, Mandaluyong City. And yes, I graduated as magna cum laude at the National University of Manila, who took up Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies, and the former president of the National University Student Government, the highest governing body of students in the said university. But for tonight, allow me to introduce myself as one of the game changers, one of the catalysts of change. Indeed, pen is mightier than sword. I am a journalist by profession and a beauty queen by passion. But for tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. Minsan na rin po akong napanood sa telepantosering Encantadia bilang si Sangre Lira. At ang babaeng minsang nagpatibok sa pihigang puso ni Mr. Paul Salas. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan, Miss Mikey Quintos.
Thank you so much.
Mikey Quintos ang nagsasabi, in this world full of choices, always choose yourself. Judges, today we are celebrating the National Heroes Day. But national heroism should not always giving the blood or should not giving our life, because a true hero is standing in front of you. I am representing the modern Filipiniana. Mabuhay ang Trans-Pinay!
Thank you so much, candidate number 6.
Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala bang hiyawan dyan? Wala bang pagkain dyan? Short lamang po. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan, or should I say, good evening to all of us. A pretty lady standing here in front of you
is a 25 years old fresh tenor. My name is Acacia Flores, but tonight, allow me to stand by the name. So, one and only, ang mapahal na nagpatibok sa puso ni Mr. Ruru Madrid. Isa sa mga hawak ng brilyante, ang brilyante ng lupa. Bilang si Tera. Sabay-sabay mo natin sigaw at iyawan ang nag-iisa, Bianca Umali. Before I leave this party on the stage, I wanted this message. Give your smile to everyone, but give your heart to only one. Once again, I'm your candidate number 7, representing by Royal Kitchen Seafood Restaurant. Thank you and good evening. Enjoy the show. Thank you so much.
DJ Conquerors. Ladies and gentlemen, honorable panel, a board of judges, gentlemen who would like to consider themselves as ladies and ladies who would like to consider themselves as gentlemen. For the last time daw pa, Sisay Bakapagal, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Na may kasamang malakas na hiyawan dyan. For tonight, may it rain or shine, I will never ever care about what they say regarding my gender identity. I will always let the brilliant light of my soul blind them. For I believe that things turn out to be the best to those people who make the best out of the way things turn out. Hope is better than fear. Optimism will always be better than despair. Let's all be loving, very hopeful and optimistic, and we can definitely change this world. Hi, hello, mabuhay po sa inyong lahat. Ako po, si Anastasia Luisa Sensi, 27, all the way from the city of Seven Lakes, which are Sampaloc, Burot-Yambon, Pandin, Coycap, Calibato at Palakpakin, at mula pa po sa bayan ng San Pablo, probinsya ng Laguna. I may not be your Super Serena or I may not be your Miss Q&A, but I believe tonight we will be judged based on our performances and never based on our past achievements. At tonight, hayaan niyo pong hiramin ko ang pagkababae at kadakilaan na nag-iisa sinabi nilang standard when it came to Miss Universe pageant. Opo, bakit hindi po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang tunay na kawangis? Nag-iisang binibining Catriona Magnayan Gray. Thank you, Catriona Magnayan Gray, na kailanman hindi po mag-iiwan ng bastos o nakakatawag sabihan. Ngunit isa lamang katanungan, Dampa, Sisay, gutom na ba kayo?
Yes!
Ayan ang sis bro, paluto na tayo. Representing the Bangus Festival of Dagupan City, once again I am your candidate number 8 saying tonight, it's showtime, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very, very much po.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8. Candidate number 8, this is your score. Number